Yes, beta. Paragraph number 5. I opened the bag, packed the boots in, and then just as I was going to close it. Now, who will describe the previous paragraph or what is going on? We know that the author is very much confident of his packing. Yes, who will tell me? Who will recall the previous part? Yes. No.
I mean, the previous part, the author said that his two friends will do all the packing work and they all sit idly and then the author is back.
Sit idle. Yes.
Packing his clothes, then he close the bag and then suddenly his friend said that the food.
Do you remember the name of the friend?
Harris.
Harris reminded him that his boots were lying there. Yes, I opened the bag and packed the boots in, and then just as I was going to close it, a horrible idea occurred to me. Had I packed my toothbrush? I asked you to circle the things. Circle the articles. Beta, first is boots, shoes. Second is toothbrush. I don't know how it is, but I never do know whether I have packed my toothbrush. My toothbrush is a thing that haunts me when I am traveling and makes my life a misery. I dream that I haven't packed it and wake up in a cold frustration and get out of the bed and hunt for it. It happens generally. And many times when you have done packing for something and then we go to rest, और उसके बाद हमें feel होता है मैंने ये चीज डाली है कि नहीं. Then again we go and open our bag and check it. I pack it before I have you and in the morning, and you know that it is the last article which we keep in our bag. Okay, naturally we use the take the brush we are daily using, है so it was also the same scene. In the morning I pack it because before I have used it and have to unpack again to get it, and it is always the last thing I turn out of the bag. And then I repack and forget it and have to rush upstairs for it at the last moment and carry it to the railway station wrapped up in a pocket handkerchief. Now from this part, read this part again and tell me what you get about the author. आपको यहाँ पे इस सीन में इस एक्शन से ऑथर के बारे में क्या अंडरस्टैंडिंग होती है? What you think of the author? He was confident of his packing. I will say overconfident. But do you feel he is confident? This paragraph, this part of the passage itself tells that he is feeling confused whether he has packed, he again opened it, he checked it, and then again forget it. So he is not what he thought of himself. He is actually not. Of course, I had to turn every mortal thing out. Mortal, you understand? Which is subject to decay and death. जो नाशवान जिसको हम बोलते हैं, जो चीज खत्म हो जाती है, that is mortal. Of course, I had to turn every mortal thing out now, and of course, I could find it. I humaced the things up into much the same state that must have been before the world was created and when chaos reigned. Of course, I found George and Harris 18 times over, but I couldn't find my own. I put the things back one by one and held everything up and shook it. Then I found it inside a boot. I repacked once more. Means he's all the time getting confused whether he has kept this or not. He just again repack everything and then check, then again pack it. So he's creating chaos himself. When I had finished, George asked if the soap was in. I said I didn't care a hang whether the soap was in or whether it was not. I feel that the friends are also trying to irritate him. Why? Because in the beginning itself, and it is always with friends, है ना? Friends are the people who can just make you mess always. जो आपको अच्छे से समझते भी हैं, पेरेंट्स से बेटर समझते होंगे, और they do it lightly, है ना, from the heart they are friends, the friends are friends always, लेकिन जानबूझ के आपकी जो वीकनेस होती है ना उसको ज्यादा हाईलाइट करेंगे। अगर टीचर कोई प्रॉब्लम पूछेगा ना तो आपके दोस्त सबसे पहले आपका नाम बताएंगे कि मैम ने इसने किया है ना, तो दैट इज लाइट नेचर ऑफ द फ्रेंड्स। When I had finished, George asked if the soap was in. अब George का question था। I said I didn't care a hang whether the soap was in or whether it was not, and I slammed the bag shut and stabbed it and found that I had packed my spectacles in it. You are supposed to keep all the articles, highlighting the articles. बेटा this is बात पे उनका बार-बार बैग खुल रहा है। We should note it down. I slammed the bag shut and stabbed it, found that I had packed my spectacles in it and had to reopen it. I got shut up finally at 10:05 p.m. and then there remained the hampers to do. Harris said that we should be wanting to start in less than 12 hours time and thought that he and George had better to do the rest. I agreed and sat down. बेटा such kind of slangs you are not supposed to use, है ना। सिर्फ आप अपनी डायरी एंट्री में जब आपके आंसर्स भी हम पढ़ रहे हैं ना तो हमने ये नोट किया है कि आपके जो रिस्पॉन्सेज है ना वो बड़े इनफॉर्मल से होते जा रहे हैं, है ना, बिकॉज यू आर गेटिंग यूज्ड टू एंड यू आर डूइंग ऑल दिस काइंड्स ऑफ चैटिंग, है ना। जो इनफॉर्मल चैटिंग होती है ना उसमें हम कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं। इफ इट इज डायरी एंट्री देन यू आर सपोज्ड टू एक्सप्रेस योर और यूज योर स्लैंग्स, है ना। लेकिन जैसे कि यहाँ पे आपको लैंग्वेज मिल रही है, शुड बी, द सेंटेंस वाज, शुड बी वांटिंग, है ना। सो अवॉइड दिस काइंड ऑफ जेस्चर्स इन योर कंपोजिशन, इन योर राइटिंग्स, ठीक है। अगर आप डिस्क्रिप्शन लिख रहे हो, अब आपको दोनों थी डिस्क्रिप्शन एंड स्टोरी राइटिंग, ये दो कंपोजिशंस थी। So what I got in description that instead of describing the person, you are supposed to describe the vegetable vendor. Fine. And you started to describe much about his family, much about the surrounding, much about his hygiene consciousness, much about means आपने बहुत ज्यादा उसको फोकस जो है आपने ड्राइव जो है वो दूसरी तरफ कर दिया, क्योंकि आपको उसके बारे में, और रादर जब हमने भी बायोस्केच, मैंने बोला था इसको बायोस्केच की तरह ले, तो आपको पॉइंट्स और फीचर्स जो मैंने डिस्कस किए दो शुड हैव बीन अटेम्प्टेड बट यू आर नॉट, रादर की वो स्टोरी से बेहतर है। आपकी जो अचीवमेंट है स्टोरी से बेहतर उसमें है, क्योंकि इसमें फोकस बड़ा लिमिटेड था, है ना। स्टोरी जब लिखते तो बहुत लंबी हो जाती है, स्टोरी नेचुरली शुड बी स्टोरी। सो our focus and our style that should not be changed. When we write, we should think of कि मैं डायरी एंट्री लिख रहा हूँ, डायरी एंट्री में आप अपने एक्सप्रेशन, अपने स्लैंग, साइन ऑफ एक्सक्लेमेशन, ये चीजें जो है वो आप यूज कर सकते हैं, इंटरजेक्शन वो आप फ्रीली कर सकते हैं, है ना। बट इन डिस्क्रिप्शन और सम काइंड ऑफ फॉर्मल राइटिंग में थोड़ा सा उसको अवॉइड करें, मीन्स लैंग्वेज स्टाइल जो होता है ना, दैट शुड बी टेकन केयर ऑफ। I had packed my spectacles and had to reopen. I got shut up finally 10 p.m. Then there remained the hampers to do. Harry said, we should be wanting to start in less than, we should means we require to, है ना। simple word क्या है, we require to start in less than 12 hours time and thought that he and George had better do the rest, and I agreed and sat down and they had a go, means they went, and थोड़ा slang because it is a novel, so in novel somewhere it is for friends, so such kind of language is used. They began in a light-hearted spirit, evidently intending to show me how to do it. I made no comment, I only waited. With the exception of George and Harris is the worst packer in this world, and I looked at the piles of plates and cups and kettles and bottles, jars, pies, stores, cakes, tomatoes, and felt that thing would soon become exciting. अब जो अपनी उसकी पैकिंग देख लो, बार बार वो उसको पैक कर रहा है, रीपैक कर रहा है ना, अनफोल्ड करके चीजों को चेक कर रहा है, बट स्टिल ही इज पासिंग कमेंट ऑन द पैकिंग ऑफ हिज फ्रेंड्स, जो उन्होंने ईटेबल्स के लिए जो उन्होंने पैकिंग किया। It did. They started with breaking a cup. Means it was he was not at all wrong, because when they start to take out the articles from the other bag, they started with the breaking a cup. That was the first thing they did. They did that just to show you what they could do and to get you interested. Then Harris packed the strawberry jam on top of a tomato and squashed it. And they had to pick out the tomato with a teaspoon. Means there is always some rule for packing. And a rule means some system is there for packing. हमने किस part में, and you might have noted some particular parts. For example, I talk about suitcase. है ना, हमारा जो suitcase होता है पैकिंग के लिए, उसमें आपने pockets देखी होंगी, side pockets होती हैं, zip pockets होती हैं, slits होती हैं साथ में. Means there is always a pattern of packing. अगर आप eatable की बात करें, कौन सी चीज नीचे आनी चाहिए, मीन्स आप अगर बैग पैक करते हो, आप सिंपली यू पैक योर बैग, सो ये तो नहीं है पेंसिल किट उसके नीचे डाल देते हो, उसके ऊपर बुक्स डाल देते हो, या कुछ चार्ट है, कुछ आपका ऐसा आर्टिकल है विच शुड बी टेकन केयर ऑफ, आप पेपर सिंगल पेपर है, असाइनमेंट है, तो आप उसको बुक के अंदर रख के बैग में डालते हो, है ना. और जो नहीं करते हैं तो उनके बैग में से जब मम्मा वीक के बाद साफ करती होंगी, पता नहीं क्या क्या क्रस्ट पेपर्स और ये कुछ निकलता होगा, है ना. आज बैग चेक करना जाके अपने. Okay, nice. Then Harris packed the strawberry jam on the top of a tomato and squashed it. Means tomato were lying below the jam bottle. They had to pick out the tomato with a teaspoon, and then it was George's turn. He trod on the butter. It didn't say anything, but I came over and sat on the edge of the table and watched them. अब उसने क्या किया, उसके पांव के नीचे क्या आया, जॉर्ज के बटर. It irritated them more than anything I could have said. I felt that it made them nervous and excited. Means all the friends, they were nervous and excited. It made them nervous and excited. They stepped on things and put things behind them and then could not find them when they wanted them. They packed the pies at the bottom, put heavy things on the top and smashed the pies. Means everything, eatable articles, they were all a mess. They upset salt over everything. As for the butter, I never saw two men do more with 1 and 2 pence worth of butter in my whole life than they did. After George had got it off his slipper, they tried to put it in the kettle. I wouldn't go in, and what was in wouldn't come out. They did scrape it out at last, put it down on a chair. Harry sat on it. It stuck to him. They went looking for it all over the room. Means sometimes they are smashing the butter, sometimes they are keeping it on the chair and then sitting on that chair. Means it is whole mess. I will take my oath. I put it down on that chair, said George, starting at empty seat. I saw you do it myself not a minute ago. Then they started round the room again looking for it. Then they met again in the center and stared at one another. Most extraordinary thing I ever heard of, said George. So mysterious. Then George got round at the back of the Harris and saw it. Why, here it is all the time, he exclaimed indignantly. Indignantly means angrily. Means they were keeping the things on some place and they are searching for it for a long time. It is all mess. Confused. There, cried Harris, spinning round. Stand still, can't you? Roared George, flying after him. And they got it off and packed it in the teapot. Montmorency was in it all, of course. Montmorency's ambition in life is to get in the way and be sworn at. Now, a new character, Montmorency is the dog, pet dog, their pet dog. Montmorency's ambition in life is to get in the way and be sworn at. है ना, आपका चाहे pet हो, कुछ भी हो, तो when you layerly open or keep that dog free, or if he come before you. I ask you to keep your mask down. Yes. So all the time he was also just creating mess for them. His ambition in life is means it is his nature also. It was his nature also. I am using his because it is used as a character here. है ना? So Montmorency says ambition in life is to get in the way and be sworn at if he can storm in anywhere where he particularly is not wanted. Storm in means enter. है ना? Sometime, for example, I also didn't allow my dog to enter my house. है ना? हम लोग मोस्टली उसके पर्टिकुलर एरिया में रखते हैं और जब हम उस एरिया में ले आए जहाँ पे वो यूजुअली नहीं जाता तो ही इज ओवर एक्साइटेड. He just started dancing here and there and all. So where he particularly is not wanted and be a perfect nuisance and make people mad and have things thrown at his head, then he feels his day has not been wasted. Means he was happy. By creating mess, he feels that he has done the job assigned. उसको ऐसा लगता है कि उसने जो करना था वो कर दिया. Then he feels his day has not been wasted. To get somebody to stumble over him, stumble means fall, and curse him steadily for an hour is his highest aim and object. And when he has succeeded in accomplishing this, his conceit becomes quite unbearable. His pride. Conceit means his pride in himself. To get somebody to stumble over him means he is running it between the friends. साथ में वो सामान बिखरा पड़ा है, वो there is again mess and he is also dancing there. He steadily for an hour is his highest aim and object, and when he has succeeded in accomplishing this means वो mess create करने में वहाँ पे वो कामयाब हो गया. He was successful. His conceit becomes quite unbearable. Means वो इतना खुश हो जाता है अपने आप पे. फीलिंग प्राइड ऑफ मीन्स मैंने जो करना था वो मेरा मकसद पूरा हुआ. यूजुअली दिस इज द इंटेंशन ऑफ द फैक्ट. He came and sat down on things. So beta, we'll start from the next part tomorrow. Thank you.